this is Nadine's first chat session ng Kapamilya Chat. So, kamusta naman ang feeling na
Super excited.
andito ka ngayon?
Super excited.
And of course, let's talk about Para sa Hopeless Romantic. What is it all about?
What's it all about? It's a love story, of course. But this is unlike our last movies, which are all rom-com. This one's more drama. So it's our first time doing something like this. Basically,
Para siya
Nadine's
sa...
bitter.
Yeah. Ako talaga yung... well, ano siya, based on the title, Para sa Hopeless Romantic, itong movie na to, ang makaka-relate dito yung mga in love, mga iniwan, na gustong, yung maasang balikan, yung mga takot ma-in love, yung mga ganon, mga hopeless romantics.
Ayan, at dahil dyan sa title, kailangan itanong, are you a hopeless romantic yourself? Sino una sasagot? Mabigat na tanong.
You are, right?
Hoy, I'm not. Well,
she is.
I don't know. Siguro, lahat naman tayo, I think eh. Siguro, depende lang yun sa leveling.
Because I mean, no one wants to say I don't believe in love or something like that. So I think to some extent we're all hopeless romantics.
More of. Okay. Let's talk about your role. So, ano yung gagampanan yung role dito?
Okay. My role, Nico Borja. He's the one that starts all the trouble. He's of course he's he's a good boy. Again, unlike my last two movies where I'm always playing, bad boy or something like that, mean. He's of course he's a hopeless romantic, but he's very misunderstood. He's really simple. He's down to earth. He just wants to make Becca happy.
Wow. How about Nadine?
Ako naman yung character ko po dito, si Becca Del Mundo. Scholar siya. She's a writer for the school paper. Hopeless romantic. What?
So, siya si yes.
Lahat naman kami hopeless romantic dito. You want me to tell them that... Si James kasi, in-interrupt niya. But anyway, straight to the point na bitter ako dito. Di maka-move on sa huling relationship namin.
Yes. Si Jan nakaka-relate.
Hindi kasi si Becca kasi first niyang boyfriend si Nico.
Okay.
Tapos nung nag-break sila, high school.
Okay.
Tapos nung nakipag-break siya kay Becca, parang hindi siya maka-move on. Ayun. So until nung mga ilang years din yun, di pa rin siya.
Hindi pwede.
So that's why Nico's
sa kanya
misunderstood.
magagaling, yes. So para malaman para malaman nyo kung bakit nag-break si Nico at si Becca, panoorin nyo yung Para sa Hopeless Romantic.
Hindi siya yung parang given na agad kung ba't nag-break.
Hindi.
Yan yung aalamin.
Pero of course, the readers of the book, alam nila.
Would know, yeah. Ayan, pero para sa mga hindi nagbabasa, yan yung isa sa mga dapat nila abangan sa pelikula. Yes.
Well, according to like Derek Andoy, super kami.
According to Derek Andoy, it's
93.75 72, whatever. But anyway,
they really stay close to the book in this one. It's like
yes.
Ayan, na-mention nila yung mga characters nila kanina and kung ano yung role nila, di ba, sa kwento. How close naman yung character nyo sa movie in real life? How could you relate to your roles in real life? Do you have any similarities and differences with your characters here in the movie? Are you bitter na din?
Well, like what you said, lahat naman tayo, di ba? There are times na naging bitter. Di naman bitter. Siguro hindi lang makamove on. Well, it happened to me na before, pero ngayon, iba na. Parang tapos na ako sa phase na yun. Months lang naman. Wala namang years. Malala naman masyado yung years. Yun lang, yun doon.
Si James. How similar are you with your character in the film? Yeah.
Well, Nico, like his whole purpose in the movie, he's trying to get Becca back. That's basically it. But I've been there before, so I guess I can relate to him. Breaking up with someone and then doing everything to win them back. I've been there before. Well, at the time I got her back, so I guess I did.
Oh, what a revelation. Yes, oo.